Hello everyone, let us see how to construct this sketch using AutoCAD. One should have an idea about how to start the sketch, which is the best way to start the sketch, either from the middle or from the bottom or from the top. Okay, which is the best way to start. Now here, to start any of the sketches, axis lines are more important. So I'll start with drawing a vertical line, then a horizontal. There is in the center there is an array that I'll try to develop first. Alright, now after developing this, then I'll draw the circle, then I'll move on to the external features. Now here, before moving on to drawing a line or an axis line, let me see the overall height. Maximum distance given is 126, followed by 18 radius on both the sides, top and bottom. So we need to add this 18 plus the bottom 18 to 126. There you will get the maximum distance. 126 plus 46, then okay, I'll go up to 170, 180 maximum length. Okay, let me enlarge. Then let me take a line and draw the line 180. Okay, only thing is, why we are calculating overall height means, this is the best way. If I calculate the overall height, then the upcoming features, whatever I'm going to draw, maybe a small circle or a bigger circle, those circles or entities will sit according or proportion to the line which I have constructed just now. Okay, now I'll take it, keep F8 off, I'll try to put it somewhere here. Okay, now this image is looking bit smaller. Let me create it again. Let me create something. I'll just try to paste it here. F8. Now this image I just try to delete. So now you can view properly. Centrally I'll draw one more axis line. I'll take this, or else equally, if you want, you can directly take your cursor, it will show the midpoint there. Try to draw an axis line. Now how the axis line should look like, go to properties, change the line style, but here we don't have any related to center. Properties, load the required line style. Yes. Okay, now I would like to convert these two to center line type. Then I would like to change the color. This is how it look like. So I'll start with the circle internal. Here internally there is circle of 54 diameter. So I'll draw a 54 diameter circle, and there is one more circle moving around where the array of circles are falling upon. So what is that? It is 68 given. Okay, 54 and 68. I'll draw two circles, 54 and 68. So I'll go with center diameter. One circle is of 54 and one more circle is of 68. Alright, now I'll try to plan the array, this circle. Now let me see, it is of 8 diameter, and a width is given. Maybe it is not clear, but let me go with some 4 mm. Okay, and what is the count? Is there any count given? No, count is not given. Let me count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 are there total. So let me, now this line I would like to convert this to, again, 2H color. Then the line supposed to be, no, it should be like a hidden kind. So I again load it. I'll go with a dashed one. Okay, now I'll convert this line to dash type. Okay, now upon which you are going to get a circle. Now here, what is the circle diameter? It is 8. Is it a diameter or a radius? Yes, it is a diameter. I'll take this, I'll try to put here 8 and enter. Then I'll take offset O, enter through enter this line at an offset distance of 2, and again the line of 2. Alright, because overall width given here is 4 mm. That is the only reason I took it. So I'll remove unwanted trim. This is not required. This is not required. Then this line, these are not required. I'll try to convert this to a continuous line. What you can do, select these two. I can go to properties, convert that to a continuous line, and change the color to bilayer. Now you could see. Now what is unwanted here? TR double enter. This is not required. This is also not required. This is how the shape look like. This is the shape we got. Okay, and there is no here. I can trim this also, this portion. Alright, now simply I'll go with an array. ARR is the command, array. What would you like to array? I would like to array this one, 1 2 3. Enter, then polar type from the center. Now what is the number? Count 12. Now you can close this. This is how the array look like. Okay, let me move this M, enter, to some distance, because it is in contact with the sketch. So I just delete this line which is not required. Then the bottom again, this one and this one not required. So externally there is one more circle externally of 126 diameter. 126. Let me draw that. I'll take a diameter from the center 1 to 6. This is a 1. Then there is an offset of, sorry, it is 96, not 126. This is wrong. It is just 96. From the center it is 96. Then 126 is the offset distance. Okay, if 126 is offset, let me offset the line O, double enter this one to a distance of 126 divided by 2, 63 on both the sides. Sorry, this went wrong. 63. Okay, I have to reconstruct. I don't know which line is that. Offset this line to 63. Done. Now when you got two, there you find two more circles. This is one circle. One bigger is of 80 radius and smaller is of 3 holes of 14 diameter. This is also included. 3 holes of 14 diameter. Here is one circle, then one more on the top. And a radius of 18, from the center radius of 18. Similarly here also radius of 18. Now here there is one more offset of 84 with respect to vertical. Offset, enter through enter this line at a distance of 84. because there we need to drop one more circle. What is the circle? Circle is of internal is of 14 diameter, external is of 22 radius. 14, 22. This is 14 diameter and the next one is 22 radius. Alright, so now there should be some connectivity. The outer circle is of 85 radius, but we don't know the exact center because it is not in concentric point. It is, the center is not with respect to the concentric point, so I'll go with tan radius option. 85 radius, here you find it, tan radius. So from here, this circle to this circle, it should be of how much? 85 radius. This is how it is going to be. Then you can remove unwanted, accordingly you are going to get the circle. So okay, TR, double enter, this part is not required. This I completely delete. This I can easily delete now. Now there is a fillet between, these are 20 radius. Now I'll just go to fillet between this circle, radius of 20 and the second one. Okay, the same thing what I can do is now simply mirror with respect to the horizontal. I'll get it to the other side. Okay, now if I remove unwanted, TR, double enter, this is not required. Then here what is not required, this part and this part, these are not required. Unwanted things, when you remove, you get the actual projection. This is how it look like. Alright, and is there any other fillets? Yes, here is one fillet of 12 radius. So again I'll take fillet between this curve with a radius of 12, this one. I'll repeat between this one, radius of 12. Now this is how it look like. Okay, but internally if you could see, the arc is remaining, that arc is remaining. So what I'll try to do, I'll try with extend, EX, double enter, this one. Done. If we remove unwanted, then we'll get the required shape. This is not required, this is not required. Okay. Oh. TR, done. Finally, this is the shape required with all the given dimensions. Okay, this is how we need to think about the given sketch. So for example, if I want to keep all the axes in one color, I kept it already. Alright, now other than that, I want to give different color to the bigger circle, which is maybe red. So this curve, the outer periphery, this I just try to keep it in some color. Now this is actually we supposed to do by using what you call layers. That same at that topic I'll discuss later. So if you have an idea of layers, then this coloring, line thicknesses, every other thing becomes very easy. This is how it looks like. Now let me select the array and let me change the thickness and show you. Color. Okay, this is how. Now let me remove unwanted axis lines also. This is not required. Finally, this is the thing. Okay, so we should know the approach, how to start is more important, then only you can do miracles. Okay, this is all for this session, and if you have any, yeah, I forgotten to remove this one and this part. Okay, unless you zoom out you can't see it actually. Fine, that is all for the session. Any questions you can comment in the box. Thank you.